Welcome back, guys. You can't get rid of me that easy. It's me, Pierre, once again, aka Nina, Bonina, Banana, Bafana, Beauty Studio Brown, and I am back in the house. I'm gonna call this look Fantasia. First step, as always, I am going to put on some primer. You want the skin to be nice and protected. Once again, your face condom. Put your fan on first, so that way it can stick better to your skin. Now we're gonna move to the foundation. Now we are going to do some concealer. Next, contour. We can move on to the eyes. I'm gonna kind of just play off of my fan and go with the colors and just kind of like blend everything together. Put on the shadow. I'm gonna line my eyes. We're gonna put on these lashes. Bam. The inspiration for this look, hand fan, you deserve to be on my face, not my hand. That's all it was. Be inspired by random objects. Well, guys, I hope you are a fan of this look. I'm here all day, guys. Please tip.